You may be the richest man in the world. You may have the maximum luxury. But compared to the luxury of Akhirah in Jannah, it will be 1,000,000,000 times better. So if you compare the difference between the poorest man who goes to Jannah and the richest man in the world going to Jannah, the difference is very less. So this world, you should not be bothered whether you're poor or rich, whether you're a king or a pauper. You should be bothered that you pass the test. Because the Jannah, and the Prophet said it is more easier for the poor man to go to Jannah than a rich man. Because the rich man has to give hisab kitab. He has to give accountability of everything. More difficult. So comparatively, it is 1,000,000,000 times better than the richest man in the world. And compared to the poor man also, it is 1,000,000,000 times, hardly any difference. And the Jannah is so worse, the description given in the Quran and the Hadith. Even if you are the poorest man in this world, it will be like paradise. The fire, when it comes on your feet, your brains will boil. Can you believe? So, this is the explanation. And this Quran, it prevents you to going to Jahannam and encourages you to go to Jannah. That is the reason I call the glorious Quran a global necessity.